let's go ahead and install the front tire. So there's protective caps on both sides of the wheel. We have this skewer, basically is our front axle. There's two springs, and there's a nut on the end. So we're going to take off the nut and remove one spring. We're going to insert this through the center. Go ahead and put the spring first and then tighten up the nut. So these are our two channels where the front forks are going to sit. And this is our quick release lever that's going to tighten it all down. So the tricky part is to get the disc for the disc brake inside of the front brake housing. So we just need to line it up and hopefully drop it into place. And like I said, the key is to follow the front disc brake. Once we can get it in the brake, and the rest will just fall in place. Alright, so then once it's seated, you can hand tighten the nut. When we turn the lever, we want it, see, like that's just loose. We need it to be fairly tight. Still too loose, tighten up some more. Hand tighten. Still need to keep going apparently. Then we put that lever down and we got our front wheel installed.